Introduction to deep learning. Artificial intelligence is growing exponentially. There is no doubt about that. Self-driving cars are clocking up millions of miles. IBM Watson is diagnosing patients better than armies of doctors, and Google DeepMind's AlphaGo beat the world champion at Go, a game where intuition plays a key role. But the further AI advances, the more complex become the problems it needs to solve. And only deep learning can solve such complex problems, and that's why it's at the heart of artificial intelligence. Why deep learning? Here are 5 reasons we think deep learning really is different and stands out from the crowd of other training programs out there. 1. Robust structure. The first and most important thing we focused on is giving the course a robust structure. Deep learning is very broad and complex, and to navigate this maze you need a clear and global vision of it. That's why we grouped the tutorials into 2 volumes, representing the 2 fundamental branches of deep learning: supervised deep learning and unsupervised deep learning. With each volume focusing on 3 distinct algorithms, we found that this is the best structure for mastering deep learning. 2. Intuition tutorials. So many courses and books just bombard you with the theory, and math, and coding. But they forget to explain, perhaps, the most important part: why you are doing what you are doing. And that's how this course is so different. We focus on developing an intuitive feel for the concepts behind deep learning algorithms. With our intuition tutorials, you will be confident that you understand all the techniques on an instinctive level. And once you proceed to the hands-on coding exercises, you will see for yourself how much more meaningful your experience will be. This is a game changer. 3. Exciting projects. Are you tired of courses based on overused, outdated datasets? Yes? Well, then you're in for a treat. Inside this class we will work on real-world datasets, to solve real-world business problems. Definitely not the boring iris or digit classification datasets that we see in every course. In this course we will solve 6 real-world challenges: artificial neural networks to solve a customer churn problem, convolutional neural networks for image recognition, recurrent neural networks to predict stock prices, self-organizing maps to investigate fraud, Boltzmann machines to create a recommender system, stacked auto-encoders * to take on the challenge for the Netflix $1 million prizes. Who is this course for? As you can see, there are lots of different tools in the space of deep learning, and in this course, we make sure to show you the most important and most progressive ones so that when you're done with deep learning your skills are on the cutting edge of today's technology. What will I learn? Understand the intuition behind artificial neural networks. Apply artificial neural networks in practice. Understand the intuition behind convolutional neural networks. Apply convolutional neural networks in practice. Understand the intuition behind recurrent neural networks. Apply recurrent neural networks in practice. Understand the intuition behind self-organizing maps. Apply self-organizing maps in practice. Understand the intuition behind Boltzmann machines. Apply Boltzmann machines in practice. Understand the intuition behind auto-encoders. Apply auto-encoders in practice. And the requirements: high school mathematics level, basic Python programming knowledge,